Car's ready. We're gonna have a good time today. Right, first run of the day. Let's see how it goes. The track's pretty wet, so it's gonna be a little tough. So far so good. I think I ripped the brake line again, but we're having fun. Check it out, it's already leaking. It's all right, I'm still gonna send it. Oh, I think my fans weren't turning on. I think we broke the car, bro.
Yeah, at least we should keep it warm.
Yeah. Just fixed the car. Turns out it was the ground for the fans. They came loose, so the fans weren't turning on, so it started overheating. We just the car. The coupe is gone. The coupe is gone, bro. Rest in peace. We need a new shell. You good? You good? Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
¿Otra troca?
Otra troca, compa. Puros yonques. The coupe is gone, bro. Hey, we had a blast on foot. Got a blast foot. Time to go home. Figure out what we're gonna do next. Just a quick update. I got the car at the house. She's destroyed. Me and Christian talked about it, and the best way to go about it is getting a new shell. So I've already looked for one and I found one. I'm gonna go check it out right now. Hopefully I can get it bought.
The destination is on your left. 1750
There it is.
Sereno Avenue.
There it is. Check it out. Hey, buddy. Big waste of time. I drove 30 miles and I get here and the frame rails are all bent. And in his post it says that he crashed the front, but only the radiator support was bent. I get here and the frame rails are all twisted. I'm thinking of chopping it and then basically just doing like a rear tube. I don't know if it's gonna work. I personally didn't want to do this. I wanted a clean shell. That was my my goal, to get another shell, but it's getting kind of hard to find one. All right, that's good. I'm gonna chop off the trunk first, and then we'll clean up the rest of the glass in the trunk. Got my saws all ready. All right, here goes nothing.
Start cutting it?
Started. I'm gonna finish up cleaning up the glass, and then I'll start chopping the quarters, that quarter panel. I'm gonna start cutting it little by little, and then I'm gonna bang it out and then see if I can try to get it pushed out. To jack it up, and then not to take up the wheel, because this just pressed in right here, so I can chop it. Alright, the wheel's off. Doesn't look like it has any frame damage. Alright, change of plans. I'm gonna try to save the stock tank. I don't want to go fuel cell on it because it's gonna be more pricey and it's more work. So as of now, I think I'm just gonna cut from here, follow the whole line, and then cut it, and then we'll start bending it, this thing down to where kind of where it's supposed to be. So bear with me, guys. I've never done this. I mean, actually I have, but Christian helped me over there, and I told him not to help me on this one because it's my fault. I want to learn. No, I gotta learn that when you gotta stop, you stop. All right? When you know the car has no brakes, you gotta stop. How it looks so far. Check it out. This is where we're at. I just got a call from this guy. He said he wants to junk his car, and I told him, yeah, I can go junk it. And I told him to send me a picture just to see what kind of car it was. And guess what kind of car it was, guys? It's a 240 Vert, and it's black, dude. So I think luck's on our side, guys. I'm gonna go pick him up. It looks pretty well. Actually, it doesn't have a trunk. But yeah, like the whole back piece is pretty good. The donor car. Good as new, bro. Yeah. What you hit, bro?
Nothing.
La pinche casa, güey.
Spot weld, güey?
No.
Perfect, güey. Right there. Just do it, güey. Fuck it.
Just tack it away. Fuck it.
I know, güey. Trust me, look right here first. Así, it's not gonna be moving up and down anymore. What's up? Así no, así no.
That's not how you spot.
Other ways you can see it. Oh, just hold it there. Has a bunch of bondo on it. Yeah, it does. I can smell that shit.
We install the tail light just to make sure it lines up. And it does. Check it out.
So look, this kind of lines up there.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Look, it's lined up. It's lining up pretty
A
good.
little higher. It needs to be like right there. So look, even that.
Hell yeah. Looking good.
Pues este güey ni se ocupa echar shampoo ni acondicionador, ¿por qué dura tanto? Eso es lo que dijo él,
Hey, güey. Do you even pinche put shampoo on, güey? No. Do you, güey?
What for? What for? I don't even have hair.
You're getting to be a big boy.
Damn.
Nothing happened.
Nothing fucking happened here. Back to the coop. Looking sexy. Alright, it's currently 8 in the morning and I just finished installing the side skirts and the fenders. Lots of trimming, but made them fit. The door opens pretty good. We're masking the whole car. We're almost done, and then we're gonna get ready to spray it. It's already pretty late. Check it out. Sneak peek. Looking all right. What do you think, Way?
I think that's how you good.
Think I still got it?
The student is better than the teacher now.
I just finished spraying the car. Smells so bad. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Oh shit, it's so shiny, Christian. Christian, so shiny way. Oh shit. So, what do you think, Christian? What do you think? Before I show them, tell me what you think.
I kind of like it.
You kinda like it or you like it, wait?
Okay, I like it.
Uh-huh. You wanna paint your car? Now? Like this?
Bad, man.
Should we show them? Should we show them? Check it out. Check it out. You guys ready? Are they ready, Christian?
I'm not ready.
They're not ready. Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready to show you guys. Check it out. Holy shit! Christian, for being a garage paint job, what do you think, way? It's good, huh? It's badass, huh? Looks way cleaner than the hatch. I'm thinking of painting the hatchway like that. Should I? No. Nah, but I can check that out. See or no? See or no? Give it a like if you like it. Even if you didn't like it.